Hello everybody, and welcome to this video. Here I have the drawing prompt generator set of roll tables that I recently published to the Patreon. I'm going to go ahead and use them right now to generate a drawing prompt, and then I'll see what I can come up with. Let's roll 2d6. See what we've got here, a 3 and a 1, so we've got train. Just write that down here. Train what? 5, 1, a train dragon. Further down here we have descriptors, 2d6. So that is spooky. And what does this dragon want? So we roll 2d6. Let's see what they want. Ooh, that one rolled away a bit too far. 6, to make friends. So it's spooky train dragon who wants to make friends. Okay, so we'll put that there for now, and I'll start doing the sketch. Okay, so a spooky train dragon who wants to make friends. A train dragon, so should they be a dragon who is a train driver? I think that's fun, but I think it might be more interesting if the dragon is part train. So we're going to do dragon's head there, and what I'm already thinking is that they will have one of those old-timey steam locomotive funnels instead of a horn on their nose. And the nostrils are going to be sort of like headlamps. Let's see, so we need something for the eyes. Here I am adding a sort of a train wheel. Perhaps we should give them an open mouth. Maybe that will help make them look a bit more spooky, because that is something I need to keep in mind as well. This dragon is supposed to look spooky. And the body, maybe it's going to be sort of like a worm more than a sort of your traditional, I guess, Western medieval dragon. I feel like it should have some horns here, but I'm not really sure how to put those in. What should they be? I mean, perhaps it could just be another set of funnels. I don't know. This is what I can do. I can do some spooky flames coming out of here, because why not? The important thing is that it's supposed to look like a train. these flames are a little bit too big. What if this last bit of the dragon is a little bit more traditional dragon, so it looks a bit more like that. Yes. What I'm thinking is that probably I'll be able to give it a spookier look with the coloring, like with the coloring of the picture. Because right now, I don't know if this looks as spooky as I would like it to. What if I add some steam coming from these bits here? Yeah. Yes. And then I can do some more smoke coming here. Yes. I think that looks pretty dragon-like. I'm still not convinced with the eyes in general. Yeah, that's a bit nicer, isn't it? They look like they want to make friends now. Looks a little bit more friendly, I think. That will do for the pencil lines. Yes, so the next stage would be the inking. So as you can see here, I decided to go for a fairly cool purple and blue colour palette. I had originally thought of using green because most dragons tend to be green, I suppose. And green can be a spooky colour as well, but I thought the blue and purple felt a little bit friendlier. I don't exactly know more than that. I just felt right, and yeah, I think it looks good. I put a lot of the blue and purple mostly in the steam clouds coming from the train dragon's funnel horn. And there we have the finished illustration of a spooky train dragon who wants to make friends.